And the main thing that I wanted to mention about LiveScan, which is why I got into it, is because I don't know many businesses that you can make an investment in and have guaranteed customers. What you have once you become a LiveScan operator is something that people need. They have to have it. You are the last step in between their license or their certificate or getting that job. So you're the last step for their means of making money. So they have to find you. I don't advertise for this. I don't go out and solicit and do all sorts of things to try and get people to like me, to come to me. When I first, the other benefit, I know I'm kind of giving you a mini course. The other benefit of once you become a LiveScan operator is once they put you on the DOJ's website, people are going to find you instantly. The first day that I was listed on the DOJ's website, that's the Department of Justice's website, in here in California, my phone started ringing. And it's been ringing ever since. I've paid off my equipment. And I paid off my equipment a few times. And when I came in, the equipment was on the higher end. So, price-wise. So, it is a great business because, and all my students, when they take my class, I tell them this little spiel. And for the ones who follow through, they all call back and they say, it's exactly like you said it would be. And I help a lot of them through the process of getting started. They call with questions. I help them, with tips on how to start your business and different things. And it's fun helping people. It's fun sharing. That's why I wanted to do this for you guys in case this is something you've never heard about, never knew about. You might want to check into it and check my website. I'll put my link in there somewhere. And at some point, I'm going to film my course and get that book. I have the booklet, but I want to film the class showing the whole process and everything. So that way, if people don't have the time to actually come out to the college to take the course, they can do it at home. So there it is in a nutshell, and let me think, is there anything that I'm forgetting to say about LiveScan? Well, if there is, you can ask me questions down in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. But if you get too deep, you're going to have to wait for the course on CD. All right, you guys, have a great day, and the next time I come around in this series, I'll be talking about something else that I do from home to make money, because I'm a hustler by nature. Money is so easy to make, it's out there, and you don't have to be a rocket scientist in order to generate income. That's one thing that I know because that's what I do. All right, you guys, take care and have a great day.